Very good morning, students. So today's topic is blue jeans, which is covered as lesson under Unit 3. Let's go ahead, talking about certain important points from this lesson. I hope everyone, read the lesson once because as I told you all that it would be better if I start explaining few important points. Going ahead, so the origin of denim cloth. So before we talk today, jeans or denim jeans is like quite common word for us, but so we will go ahead talking about the origin of denim cloth. Okay. So denim cloth. So word denim comes from Serge de Nimes, a city in France. So originally it was a material made of wool. It's a strong material, completely made from wool. So later in the 17th century, now this particular cloth was being made from wool and cotton together, and later till today, it is only solely from cotton. So initially it was made from wool, but later it was like a combination of wool and cotton, and now it is totally cotton. So initially talking about denim cloth, it was used to make sails. Now what is the sails? Sails is nothing but the sheets of material which is attached to a pole on a boat to catch the wind so that it pushes the boat forward. So for that purpose they used to use this cloth because this is a thick sheet, and it when the wind blows, the boat would move forward. But later, Genovese sailors thought that such fine and strong material would make great pants. Now, these Genovese sailors are, from Italy, and they had this idea that, it's a thick cloth, and, pants made out of this cloth would long last, would be used for a different purpose. Okay. So further, they carried on, with the idea. So somewhere in the mid of 19th century, Levi Strauss recognized the need for strong work pants in the mining communities. So they thought they need some pants, especially used for the occupation called mining. So in the year 1850, first designed and marketed Levi's pants were being brought into the market. Until today, only minor alterations were done, but the same old model is being carried. Original Levi's, jeans pants, they never had rivets. I think you all know what are rivets. Like you can see on your pants, the copper buttons. So these were not used originally. But later, Jacob Davis invented riveted pants. So he thought, having these particular copper buttons on the pants can hold the mining tools because it's been, stitched or used for the purpose of mining workers. So to make the pants stand still, the back pockets. So these rivets were being used at the back pockets so that, when you put the tools in the particular back pockets, the pants could hold them properly and, in a stiff manner. So Levi Strauss patented the idea on 20th May 1873. So this was, what a great revolution that the pants were really used by those mining workers, and it was, patented by him. So slowly changes took over those particular pants, the denim pants. In the year 1920, in the place of buttons, zippers were being brought into picture. In 1937, the rivets on the back pockets were moved inside. So, instead of putting those buttons at the back pockets, initially we can see for the sake of, fashion or, for the trend, they've been used in the inside. In the 1960s, they were moved entirely from the back pocket. So they used to have at the back and the front part, but totally it was being used only for the sake of, trend or fashion. It's being used in the front side. Certain raw materials. Now, further, we'll go ahead talking about the raw materials, how this particular blue jeans being brought into picture from, how exactly the denim is being made. So thread is nothing but 100% cotton. Dye, the color which we talk about the blue jeans, is synthetic indigo. Zipper, which is made out of steel, buttons are made out of steel, rivets are made out of cotton, and the labels. Now when we see the pants, the labels will be of different. Some are like out of cloth, some are out of leather, some are out of plastic. Depending upon the marketing and depending upon the brands, it keeps on changing. So Further, we'll go ahead talking about, manufacturing or preparation of denim cloth. So manufacturing or preparation of denim cloth, there were three stages being brought into picture: preparing the cotton yarn, dyeing the yarn, and weaving the yarn. So these are the three important areas which we need to focus. How the cloth is being prepared. So it's been prepared from preparing the cotton yarn first, and later it is being dyed in a particular color called indigo, and later how exactly it's been weaved the yarn, and from those particular sheets how the jeans are being prepared. So in the next class we'll be talking about the manufacturing and preparation of denim cloth. Thank you, students. I hope this was, understood by you, and I hope once again you'll go through your books. Thank you. Have a good day.